Factory production processes have come a long way, blending innovation and precision to create some of the most incredible machines that transform raw materials into perfectly finished products. These machines don't just boost productivity, they redefine efficiency while delivering oddly satisfying results. In this video, we'll showcase groundbreaking technologies that take heavy-duty manufacturing to the next level. The Meere Sawmill is a revolutionary vertical band sawmill, known for its high-speed and high-capacity sawing capabilities. Its standout feature is the tilted long carriage, designed to absorb the shock of receiving large saw bands, ensuring smooth and efficient operations. This machine is perfect for processing both soft and hardwood logs. Operators can switch between single and double-side cutting configurations, depending on the specific needs of the operation. This flexibility makes it a favorite for lumberyards aiming for precision and adaptability. With energy-efficient mechanisms and a design that prioritizes high wood recovery rates, the Meere Sawmill is not just a tool, but a game-changer in the wood industry. DMS design has revolutionized industrial machining with its highly versatile equipment. These machines specialize in creating complex components for industries such as aerospace, automotive, and medical. Their precision ensures the production of intricate designs without compromising quality. Environmental considerations are embedded in the design process, with efficient material usage and minimal waste generation. This makes DMS machines both cost-effective and eco-friendly. Beyond precision, these machines significantly reduce lead times, enabling companies to streamline production and cut costs, solidifying DMS design's position as a leader in industrial innovation. Suum Spring Works stands out for its mastery in crafting mechanical springs, wire forms, and other metal components. With the ability to coil springs up to a 36-inch diameter and 70-inch free length, their capabilities are unmatched. The company specializes in both hot and cold winding processes, ensuring flexibility and top-notch quality for every spring produced. Their water jet cutting and metal spinning techniques add versatility to their offerings. For clients with urgent needs, Suum Spring Works offers expedited services and flexible order quantities, proving their commitment to efficiency and customer satisfaction. Metis showcases the intricate process of tire manufacturing, starting with heating and calendaring the rubber compound. This material is extruded into continuous sheets, cooled, and cut to the required lengths. Each sheet is coated with nylon, steel, and polyester layers to enhance durability and performance. The bead core, made by aligning steel wires with rubber, ensures the tire remains stable during driving. Finally, the assembled components are molded and pressed, with each tire undergoing rigorous quality tests to guarantee reliability. The entire process highlights the blend of precision and durability in Metis's products. Aluplast GmbH excels in manufacturing premium plastic windows and doors. Their products are designed to deliver exceptional thermal insulation, security, and energy efficiency, making them a popular choice worldwide. The production process begins by heating plastic pellets to a malleable state and extruding them through a die to form continuous profiles. These profiles are then shaped and assembled into frames. With a strong commitment to sustainability and cutting-edge designs, Aluplast products enhance the comfort and efficiency of modern homes, standing as a benchmark in the window and door industry. The vaton makina, automatic, can-body machine redefines efficiency in metal can production, producing 40 cans per minute. It starts by printing on metal sheets, which are then welded into cylindrical shapes. A servo motor precisely positions the cans for shaping, while an auto-view technology ensures the welding seams are flawless. The cans are then transported to flanging machines, where the ends are shaped for secure sealing. This machine's advanced features make it indispensable for the packaging industry, delivering precision and speed in equal measure. Barnshaw has set the standard in metal bending technology, producing complex shapes with unparalleled precision. These machines are crucial in industries like aerospace and automotive, where exact specifications are non-negotiable. Their environmentally conscious design minimizes material waste, making them both efficient and sustainable. The bending process combines speed and accuracy, significantly boosting productivity in metal fabrication. With a focus on precision manufacturing, Barnshaw remains a cornerstone in the world of advanced metal forming. TEX interbraiding machines are engineered for versatility, handling applications ranging from cords and tubes to precious metals and composites. Their standout software, tchm Braider Multifilament, provides 3D visualizations of braided structures. This software optimizes machine settings, enabling operators to achieve precise results effortlessly. The machines can even arrange colors for aesthetic or functional purposes. TEX Inter's commitment to innovation ensures efficiency and precision in every braiding task, catering to industries with diverse needs. The AIMC 1000 sets a new benchmark for cleaning glass molds using high-intensity lasers. This chemical-free process removes contaminants without damaging the molds, ensuring a cleaner and safer environment. Robotic arms manipulate the laser head for optimal cleaning, while 3D scanning technology adjusts parameters in real time. This results in precise, residue-free finishes, even in hard-to-reach areas. The system's integration with Industry 4.0 enhances data collection and process optimization, making it a futuristic solution for glass manufacturers. Friction welding is an innovative process that joins metal parts without melting them. By using intense heat generated through friction, this method creates exceptionally strong bonds. The technique involves two components: relative motion and mechanical pressure. Applications range from automotive parts to rocket engines, showcasing its versatility. Friction welding's ability to create strong, homogeneous welds without consumable materials makes it a cost-effective choice for modern manufacturing. Eco-Green Equipment specializes in tire recycling, transforming discarded tires into valuable materials. Their robust machines shred and granulate tires, reducing environmental waste. The recycled rubber finds applications in various industries, from construction to automotive. The process is not only efficient, but also eco-friendly, addressing the global challenge of tire disposal. Eco-Green Equipment's innovative approach highlights the potential for sustainable solutions in heavy-duty manufacturing.